Hi everyone, today I will introduce our website to all of you. I hope I can give you some ideas when you introduce it to our potential customers. There are several tips for you when you introduce our website to a customer. The first one, you must be very focused on the customer interaction during introduction. At this part, please be very careful to avoid a one-man show. Please don't introduce our website like teaching. No one like to be educated. If you ignore interaction during introduction, the customer will feel bored and stop your introduction. So, interaction plays important role. There are several important parts of our website. Firstly, Firstly, let's visit our main page here. This is our main page. This part shows SelectCam products citation and is very important to leave a good first impression. And I must mention that in this part, we only exhibit our products cited in top scientific journals, Nature, Cell, and Science. Our potential customers may not hear about us before, but they must recognize the authority of these journals. That's why I said this part is very important. It's the soul of our website, which we should show to every potential customer. For this part, we could introduce like, did you know SelectChem? We are the second largest small molecular inhibitor supplier. This part of our main page shows our products are cited by Nature, Cell, and Science since 2015. What else on our website was recommending? Now we need to ask the customer which inhibitor he or she is interested in. Starting with the inhibitors they are interested in will help to attract customers' attention. So, it is also a part of interaction with the customer. This time, we choose BEZ235 as an example. So, we put BEZ235 here and click search. This is a product page. First, please note, the principle of citing position is that the importance is reduced from top to bottom. Let's start with the most important part. In the top part, we show the product price and stock status, but do not ignore this small size sentence about delivery. It is very small but still shows in the top. That means this is very important. This is this product BEZ235 citation list part, and this is only SelectChem BEZ235 cited publication. The citation publication number reaches to 85. It is also from the side of this BEZ235 of SelectChem provides good quality and is recognized by scientists. Then we also provide online purity and quality control document. Everyone knows very well about NMR and HPLC. NMR is a report about the structure of this small molecular inhibitor. HPLC reflects the purity of this product. There is also a document provided by SelectChem only, which is here, macro analysis. We can click to open it. It is a elemental analysis report. What is this? HPLC could tell us the purity of this product, but it still has defect. This technique cannot identify an inorganic compound and some simple structure of a carbohydrate. For example, if the compound mixes with the ceramic powder, mixes with ceramic powder, the HPLC report will still show its purity is 98%. But at this point, elemental analysis report will be attempt to fix this. This is very important because the synthesis process of some special compounds must have inorganic chemistry or carbohydrate contamination. So, the amazing and special designs we provide all set of purity and quality control reports for each batch. If the customer is very busy and only give you 1 minute, you could only introduce the man page citation part here and the delivery information here, and product citation part and quality control part. That is enough. We also provide the cell signaling pathway picture on our website. As we know, other companies like CST also provide this kind of picture, but in our picture, we show the selective inhibitor and pan inhibitor for specific target protein, and the target protein marked as this, the blue-gray, do not have inhibitor. If the customer is interested in these proteins, we could suggest them considering the upstream or downstream protein. There is an inhibitor selective form. We list all PI3 key inhibitor here. More plus a stronger inhibitory effect. You can click the arrow to sort according to inhibitory effect for specific subtype. We also provide the selective information in this form. You can check whether this inhibitor works on other protein by this part, other target part. The cell data part is well received by our customer. This one. Most of our customers treat inhibitor in cell model, but a different cell line has different working concentration for the same inhibitor. So the researchers need to do a concentration gradient test to find the suitable working concentration. On our website, we provide a series of information like this one, assay type, concentration, incubation time, formulation, activity, and the PMID. PMID means that all this information is from publication, not fake. The customer could find and read this publication through the PMID. It is time-saving. It can help customer to find the perfect concentration gradient range to do the test. And some of our customers may use inhibitor for their animal study. There are two difficulties. One is to ensure dosage. The other is to ensure the dissolve of formula. We could recommend the animal research part here. Our website to them. We provide dosage dosage here, and other information in this part. And the same, this is not fake information. There is the, you see here, the superscript number one. Then you could check the references part here to refer the number one. And the solubility part is also useful to them. In this part, we provide in vivo dissolve formula. In this part, we provide in vivo dissolve formula and finally solubility. Note that add pure solvent individually and in order from left to right. The solubility in three common solvent is shown here to help customer to choose reasonable solvent. All of this data are actually measured data. There is a tool here, Bell calculator. We need to calculate to dissolve inhibitor, but the calculation is hard for everyone. This tool will help us so much. Input 3 of 4 blank. For example, molecular then click calculate. Then we get the result quickly. The best design here is that the unit, you see, the unit is customized. We also provide clinical trial information here. This information is from clinical trial government